Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about PM360. So AGCO has started their PM360 program a little bit earlier now. And so what it allows you to do is when you're finished baling, bring your baler in or talk to Michael or Nolan and line it up. We can pick it up. But bring those machines in, we do the inspection. You get a list of things that need to be done. If you want us to do some, then we can do them, and you can take advantage of savings on parts and labor and trucking. It allows us to get a jump on some of the winter work. It allows you to have a machine that's cleaned up and ready to go back into your shed that's ready to work for next year. And there's also some financing programs that usually go along with it. So give us a shout when you're finished and we can pick up your machine and go through it, and then you're ready to go for next year. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.